My name is Emma. I work here at Indian Motorcycle San Diego, and I wanted to make this quick video to show you that you can change your own oil for your Challenger using these oil change kits that we currently sell in the store. Check out this video and learn how to do it.
To change the oil and filter on your Indian Challenger, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat, level surface. Start the engine and allow it to warm up at idle for 5 minutes. Stop the engine. Clean the area around the oil dipstick. Remove the dipstick and set aside. Place a drain pan underneath the engine crankcase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. If needed, remove the side stand bumper bracket for improved clearance to the drain plug. Then clean the area around the oil drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Next, remove the engine oil filter from underneath the bike and behind the radiator. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil and ensure it's in good condition. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the engine. Install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Inspect the drain plug. The sealing surfaces on the drain plug and engine should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Remove the old O-ring on the drain plug and replace with a new one. Install a new sealing washer and reinstall the drain plug. Torque to specification and wipe up any residual oil on the bike. If necessary, reinstall the side stand bumper bracket. Torque the fastener to specification. Start by adding only 4 quarts or 3.8 liters of the recommended oil. Reinstall the dipstick securely. With the motorcycle in an upright and centered position, start the engine and idle for approximately 30 seconds. Stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Remove the dipstick again and add an additional 1 quart or 0.95 liters of engine oil. Do not overfill. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle for 30 seconds to begin the final oil level check. Stop the engine. With the aid of an assistant, stand the bike upright. Remove the dipstick and wipe clean. Thread the dipstick until fully seated. Remove the dipstick and ensure the oil level is within the safe operating range. Reinstall the dipstick securely. After an oil change, the low oil pressure indicator may illuminate when the engine is started. If this occurs, do not increase the RPM above idle speed until the indicator turns off. Dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling facility. Finally, power the bike on to reset the oil life. Press the control button on the ride command display. Select all settings and then select vehicle. Press the oil life or service option. Select reset in the upper right corner and then confirm. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.